Hi all, welcome to Aruru Naturals. Today, we're talking about one magical ingredient you probably have in your kitchen, lemon. Let's explore how this citrus powerhouse can boost your beauty routine naturally. Lemon has antifungal properties that help reduce dandruff and soothe an itchy scalp. Its vitamin C boosts collagen production, which can encourage hair growth. Lemon juice helps cleanse buildup on your scalp, leaving your hair clean, fresh, and naturally shiny. Its acidic nature helps balance oil production and keeps greasy hair under control. Lemon juice acts as a natural bleaching agent, helping fade dark spots and even out skin tone. Its antibacterial properties can help reduce acne-causing bacteria and dry out pimples. The citric acid helps remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. Perfect for oily skin, lemon helps shrink large pores and control shine. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, do hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Aruru Naturals for more natural beauty tips. See you in the next one.